Actually, he had some pretty decent boots.
Yeah.
Okay.
But now you're over encumbered. If you take, like he gets.
Well, boots he's wearing.
Okay, you can wear the boots.
If you wear things that they don't count for encumbrance,
Where do I put it?
write them somewhere.
Yeah, listening.
Mm-hmm.
They won't actually protect you, but however, there are times, right? The way I see it, for example, if you have to slosh through some kind of poisonous water that is around here, if there is any, or if you are, for example, going through the snakes, things like that. Yaroslav, what is your thoughts and plans for what to do after this break?
Oh, we have to explore the cave.
When you guys talk about exploring things, are you talking about this side passage that cultists came out of? And remember, there was one coming from here and one coming from here. The idea that they seem to be coordinated, right? The common chamber of some kind, perhaps? Or that they are connected in some way. So that's not worth a roll. It's just kind of obvious. So, therefore.
I'm gonna use my torch and...
I have lights.
Yeah, but maybe we
Wait,
can...
check that. How long did that last?
I have no idea.
Yeah, that's not going to last forever.
No.
Okay.
It might drop off after this.
Yeah.
After this stretch.
One shift. So 6 hours.
Oh.
One shift.
God, this game.
6 hours.
Come on, where's the resource management? I'm going to have to hit you with conditions all the time, or else we're going to be bored. Okay, either that or you bring in some really vicious monsters. I thought those guys weren't so bad. I thought these guys weren't so bad, but I think I better have like 12 or 14 of them next time. Okay, so what is going to be the effect? Will you go down the passage? And will you be working together in some way? The two of you have said you want to do
I
something.
want to go through other...
You want to go up through there and come, right. So you will be coming from the opposite sides, you hope?
Yeah, I want to go on the first one.
Yeah. How about you?
I think I'll follow
Okay.
him.
And you know about this now.
No, I'm resting.
We're done with the rest. The question is whether you're going to join. Are you going to join the group at the end of the stretch?
I'm waiting for someone to go.
Will somebody come and get him?
I will.
You will go and get him.
Sure, I'll go in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you're fine. You just want to be asked.
I don't really want to be
Right.
in the group, but yeah, I'm slowly making my way in.
So-
But I don't make any decisions to go anywhere
Mhm.
except I'm small talking to Lothar.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, Lothar, are you inclined to let them explore by themselves? And you guys kind
I
of...
have the light, so
Yeah, we do
can they
need
see?
some lights.
Yeah,
Mhm.
I'm gonna join.
Okay. Which way?
I think that way. Come on.
No, there are two passages.
Oh.
Either here
Either the dwarf
or
the wolf.
here.
There.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay. So he can go behind and his light is long enough to go in front of you.
Yeah, I follow Lothar.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
I like that he's alone, just in front.
Yeah. That's pincer.
Well, I will tell you a little bit. This is a passage that is only 1 square, 2 meters wide. And as you had noted before, when you get a couple of meters in, it will decrease in level. And you now realize that that is not a terrible drop. It's really just enough where a person has to support themselves on their hands to get up or down, but no worse than that.
Yeah.
So then, so if you do that and continue, it will widen a little bit, and you might want to kind of warn everybody when the light, which is currently leading you just a little, gets to the point where you can see that the corridor is about to widen into a chamber. But if you go any further, then the light will shine into it. Now, the other news is that at that point is where you recognize there's fire. Somebody has a fire burning in there. And it's steady. It's not moving or anything. So there's firelight. Mm-hmm. It's not very bright. You had to actually get up to this point to be able to tell. It did not penetrate into the passage very far. But right at the point you were saying, oh, we better be careful about that light. You're like, oh, wait, there's light in there. So that's your perception. As for you, you will proceed through a somewhat wider chamber past the edge of the pit, right? And then it is now more like a tunnel there. And it's still pretty wide. It will narrow a bit, about 6 meters in. And so approximately at the same time, because they are about the same distance, you will perceive that you have a better clear line of sight there. Make a stealth check.
Oh, stealth. It's the... Which one?
Smyga.
Oh, okay, 5.
Oh,
Yeah, no.
push.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, push.
Oh,
Fail the push.
and got a demon.
And then you died.
Well, first of all, what condition do you take?
Let's say I'm.
It's on Smee. Smee.
No.
He
Hold
gets
on.
to choose.
He gets to
okay,
choose.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, sorry.
Let's say I'm demoralized.
Oh man. Okay. Oh shit. Basically, yeah. You're very unhappy, and also you're all alone over there. You're like, wait, how come I had no friends, right? and I think it's because with that demon, these two guys will spot.
Okay, so it's...
These two guys are the same two guys who are now quite ready, right? They are. Make one quick awareness check. That was we've gone through this several times. It's not spot hidden. It's something else. It's
I'll take a
right.
fall.
Yeah. Roll that. No. Okay. So, and you're not going to try.
You want to switch dances?
Okay. So here you do not notice the thing that is worth noticing in here. Okay. Because these two guys are now basically, confronting you.
Yep.
And since it's a demon, you're going to get no advantage from this at all. One of them will say, he's alone. The others are back there, right? Because they quickly check, they quickly figure it out because of this. I don't know exactly what you do, but they're very prepared at this point.
Can I do myth and legends? Can I do that right now?
As you are proceeding through here,
Yes,
just as you are walking, what sort of thing are you thinking about?
Just checking if there anything.
You have to be a little more specific.
Can I
Like
see
you
on the
wonder about.
Can I do on the walls? See if there's anything on the walls.
Okay, that's not myths and legends. You have to have something specific to be considering. But yeah, that you can. Go ahead.
You want to spot hidden things?
That might be my job. I usually do closed rolls or open rolls, but for this purpose, what is his number?
7.
It looks like a very ordinary wall. This guy, they're so ready when you stumble, right, and make a lot of noise. They are so ready that this guy has an attack ready on you that will have a boon. But at this moment, he's saying, fight those guys with us, and you go free.
Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna bluff.
Okay.
Try and bluff.
What is it based on? Charisma, correct?
Charisma with a boon. So
with a boon?
Yeah.
Wait, a bane, you mean?
Bane. Yeah,
yes.
Right.
Okay. So, you are babbling. Blah blah blah.
What?
I got 2 3s.
No.
He's still a little suspicious, but he says, "Okay." So you're like, "Okay, sure." Oh goodness. Okay.
You convinced him.
Yeah. He's with you. He didn't get a dragon. If he got a dragon, then the guy would say, "Brother," right? And exactly, and totally trust him in this. That's why I said he's still suspicious. He's keeping an eye on you. He's not going to let you get behind him or anything like that. But at the moment, you seem like you'll do it. And I think that brings us almost to closure until I want to know what it is. What will you do? You are the one who has spotted this.
I'm going to peek around the corner and try and sneak
Stealth.
inside.
Oh, because that works so well. Go right ahead. And that's
14. 15.
You shouldn't sneak.
push.
That's it.
Push.
Yeah.
Push. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
The same
For real?
result.
It's exactly. It's just sneak in this game.
Check it.
Alright.
Check a condition. Anything.
I'm gonna get angry.
Yeah, that's true too. Yeah, you got yours. Which angry?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead and check that. Yeah. Oh, this is much more fun now.
I'm the worst thief.
Okay. Yeah, so much for the
Maybe I'll fall down,
backstabbing.
drop,
Yeah,
stumbling down.
yeah. Do make that awareness check though. Just I don't know if it has a bane or not. For intelligence, it has no bane, correct?
What does Bane mean?
Up here, condition.
I'm angry. So.
Oh yeah. Okay, so roll 2 dice. Well, yeah, roll 2 dice and take the
yeah.
worst.
Just check the bane.
I don't know.
And you fail. Okay, yeah. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you are so pissed that you don't spot what you would ordinarily spot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, that's a really interesting situation.
I wanna
And the
advance.
3 of you are kind of trapped in the corridor behind him, at least.
Yeah.
Somewhat.
Yeah.
I don't think we are ready to start a new combat
No.
tonight, but
Yeah.
But I think all 3 of you, considering that's, oh no, remember it has to be the worst. I can't make a stealth advantage for the rest of you. It has to be the worst. You don't even know that he did this,
Ah.
right?
Yeah.
So if he had just missed his stealth, you probably all would have realized, oh shoot, he missed his stealth and be able to strategize.
Yeah. He's
But-
so confident now, and
But for whatever reason,
he missed.
you guys miss that he missed his stealth. So you're not going to make good decisions on that basis.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I suggest we just push forward and trust him.
Mm-hmm. Oh well, that's what you were planning on doing.
Yeah,
It's the only thing. Yeah,
it's because we
and
follow
I am
the leader.
just and obviously the ball is with me now.
Yeah.
Right. The what my cultists do now is the key. Oh, and nobody spotted the thing. Oh.
thing.
Yes, the thing in the chamber, the thing.
I want to do a awareness check,
But you are way back in the corridor now.
Yeah.
We just following the road blindly.
Yeah,
Because we think that he is like in control.
yeah.
Trust me, guys. Just like before. Follow the ambush.
So we don't have any choices. To make.
You are a bit of a disaster.
Blindly following.
Yeah, okay. I think we're going to call it for tonight because we moved into a different tactical situation, and I have to think about what is happening up beyond that cave because certain individuals are not patient. There may be some interactions up there that I need to tend to
Yeah.
because it's not like what is happening up there is just like frozen, right? Everybody up there is just waiting like wax dummies, waiting for you guys to get there. No, they are doing things up there.
Okay.
I have to maybe resolve some of that and have that in my mind when we play. So yeah, we are proceeding.
I got one question. If like the game mechanic may now I don't know if it's a game mechanic, but if we go into the cave and see him with 2 enemies but not in combat, how do we? Is it like a forced reaction?
No.
No. Okay. But we know that they're enemies from the out of game perspective.
Well,
Not
hold
in-game.
on.
Yeah.
When you're not even in there yet.
No.
Okay,
no.
so we will wait
saying,
until
yeah.
we get there, and I am not going to have any unreasonable assumptions.
No.
You knew that your enemies came from these places,
Yeah.
or you knew that the chicken stealers
But
came
it's
from these
like,
places. Yeah, well, at the moment, we will see what it looks like over there, right? We will see and decide, yeah. But it will be an individual player decision.
Yeah.
However, if you're angry, oh, you know what?
Yeah.
If you're angry, I think I just might cause a roll to assess the situation properly. Because being angry means you're not thinking too clearly,
No,
right?
you're-
So,
You're like,
yeah. So I think that will be the way to manage that.
That's good.
Mhm.
That's good. Anything can happen.
Exactly.
Yeah.